Hello guys, today we are going to see how we can make this amazing photo manipulation effect in Android with Picsart. So sit back and enjoy. For this, we want a photo like this, in which the model is in air. For practice, I will put this image in the description. Now go to Tools and select Shape Crop. We want a small part of the model that we use later. Here I'm going to crop extra portion like this and save this PNG. Now go to Draw and hide this layer so we get a transparent background. Now import previous PNG and stretch like this. I'm going to cut this faded part like this. Now click on FX and select Directory and click on Tiny Planet Filter. Now we are going to remove this unwanted part and pick an only circular part. Erase this portion carefully. Save this image.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now get any plain colored background and place one oval like this. Change its opacity and click on Done.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste
Now add a
what's
circular image
left.
that we have saved. Place model without background. If you don't know how to remove the background of your image, then please check the link in the description.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Place this circular image below the model and remove the unwanted part of the circle. Adjust the edges of the model and circle so it looks perfect. Experiment any FX filter and save your image.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to Manipulation Clan and hit the bell icon to never miss another update on this channel. Thank you for